Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look right here. So let's just get right into it. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to be taking is the shade Code James, and I'm just going to be applying that to my outer corner and keeping it in my crease. But we're just going to be keeping it at the moment real tight, like not spreading it out yet. Now I'm taking the shade 10% off, and I'm going to be doing the same process I did with the first shade. Alright, now I'm just going to be going in with Code James again, and I'm just going to be further blending these shades out. Going in with the shade No Beans, I'm just going to be applying that to give my eye more definition. This is just a process at the moment. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing, having it on my outer corner and bringing it in my crease. Alright, now I'm just going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape and my Shop Miss A. I forgot the number of the brush, but I'll have it linked down below. And I'm just going to be cutting my crease. Now going in with the shade Canvas, and I'm just going to use this to set my concealer. Alright, so going back with the shade Code James, I'm just gonna be applying this on my outer corner just to blend the concealer and the eyeshadow together. Just taking the shade No Beans, and I'm just gonna be repeating the same process, just deepening out my outer corner. Just taking the shade No Beans, and I'm just going to be applying it to my lash line to make it look like it's eyeliner. And now I'm just going in with the shade Code James and applying that also. I'm just going to be doing the same process I did before with all the three other shades, and I'm just going to be applying it to my lash line. Alright, now I'm going to be taking the shade Ring Light, and I'm just going to be applying this to my brow bone. Alright, now I'm just going to be curling my lashes, and I'm just going to be applying Fat Lash Mascara to my... Alright, now here I'm just going to be taking the lashes Minx by Elle. At the process right now, she's rebranding, so I'll have it linked down below. Love these lashes. They are bomb. You should definitely go check it out. Alright, now I'm just going to be taking 10% off, and I'm also going to be taking Code James and applying that to my lower lash. taking my fat lash mascara, I'm just going to be applying mascara to my lower lashes. Now going in with this Snobby lip liner and this L'Oreal liquid lipstick. These have been my favorite combo at the moment, and yeah, that's what basically I'm going to be applying on my lips today. Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!